Stop. Heaven is preparing a miracle for you this December 8th. Tonight, as we approach the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception, Mama Mary reminds you of a truth you often forget. You are not alone, and you are not unprotected. From the very moment she was conceived, Mary was filled with perfect grace, so she could become your refuge, your mother, your shield in every battle. If your heart is overwhelmed, if life feels heavy, the Immaculate Conception wraps you in a purity and protection that darkness cannot touch. Her grace flows where you are hurting most. Her light reaches the parts of you that feel abandoned. Her mantle covers your home tonight. Immaculate Conception, protect me, heal me, and lead me to Jesus. Follow for daily Catholic prayers and spiritual protection.